Hello everyone, welcome to my video lecture series on numerical differentiation. Today I want to explain numerical differentiation chapter. Very beginning you see that definition of this, the process of evaluating the approximate numerical value of the derivative of a function y is equal to f of x at some value of x by using given set of values y0, y1, y2, etc. yn corresponding to the arguments x0, x1, x2, etc. xn is called numerical differentiation. We have the following formula. You have to practice this by writing. Okay. You see that first formula dy by dx at x equal to x naught. If you want to find out dy by dx at x equal to x naught, you can use this formula 1 by h into square bracket delta y naught minus 1 by 2 delta square y naught plus 1 by 3 delta cube y naught minus 1 by 4 delta fourth y naught plus etc. like this. Okay, this you call equation 1. Second one, d2y by dx2. If you want to find out second order derivative at x equal to x naught, you can use this example, this formula, that is a 1 by h square into square bracket delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 delta fourth y naught minus 5 by 6 delta fifth y naught plus etc. You have to remember this formula. This you call equation 2. Okay. Now derivative at the end point. This is above is the derivative at the initial point x equal to x naught. Now if you want to find out derivative at the end point xn, so formula is a direct formula I am giving without proof. Okay, dy by dx at x equal to xn if you want to find that at the end of the table. This is equal to 1 by h into square bracket del yn. It means backward difference operator. This is the above is the forward difference operator indicates. Okay, del yn plus 1 by 2 del square yn plus 1 by 3 del cube yn plus 1 by 4 del fourth yn plus etc. Okay, you call this as 3. Now if you want to find out second order at x equal to xn, that is a d2y by dx2 at x equal to x1 equal to 1 by h square into bracket del square yn plus del cube yn plus 11 by 12 del fourth yn plus 5 by 6 del fourth yn plus etc. Okay, this you call as equation 4. Okay, further if we want to find dy by dx at any point xr equal to other point. These are the above is the end initial point at the end point is. Now if any point other than these two, xr equal to x naught plus rh, that is xr can be to x naught plus rh. We use the following formulae which are derived from Newton's forward interpolation formulae. Okay. It is dy by dx at x equal to x naught plus rh. It means x equal to xr is equal to 1 by h delta y naught plus 2r minus 1 divided by 2 delta square y naught plus 3r square minus 6r plus 2 divided by 6 delta cube y naught plus 4r cube minus 18r square plus 22r minus 6 divided by 24 delta fourth y naught plus etc. We call as this is 5. Now second order derivative at x equal to x naught plus rh equal to 1 by h square. This is given by the formula 1 by h square into square bracket delta square y naught plus r minus 1 delta cube y naught plus 6r square minus 18r plus 11 divided by 12 delta fourth y naught plus etc. This you call as equation 6. If xr is near the end of the, this is xr is beginning near the beginning of the table, you can use this above formula 5 and 6. If XR is near the end of the table, we take XR equal to Xn plus RH, and we use Newton's backward interpolation formula. Okay, divide by dx, x at x equal to Xn plus RH. X equal to XR. Here XR can be written as Xn plus RH. Okay, this is equal to 1 by h into bracket del operator using backward difference operator, del yn plus 2r plus 1 divided by 2 into del square yn plus 3r square plus 6r plus 2 divided by 6 del cube yn plus 4r cube plus 18r square plus 22r plus r plus 6. Okay, plus 6 divided by 24 into del fourth yn plus etc. This is called as 7. Now second order, if you want to find out d2y by dx2 at x equal to xn plus rh equal to given by 1 by h square into square bracket del square yn plus r plus 1 del cube yn plus 6r square plus 18r plus 11 divided by 12 into del fourth yn plus etc. You call as this is 8. Okay, these are a 1 to 8 formula. You have to remember these formulas. Okay, depending upon the problem, you can use the anyone. So all are you can practice. Okay, these formulas you have to remember. You see one example. You see that evaluate. They asked y dash of 0 and y double dash of 0 from the data. These are the given datas. X values, y values. Okay. Then forward difference table you construct the forward difference table. Already you know this. Okay, these are the arguments, entries you have to write. Okay, delta y, you know that 8 minus 4 4 15 minus 8 7. You can find out first order forward difference. These are okay. 7 minus 15 is minus 8, 6 minus 1. Okay, you know this, all this. Find out delta square y. Similarly, delta square y, 7 minus 4 is 3, minus 8 minus 7 minus 15, like this. Okay, similarly delta cube y, third order difference, fourth order difference, taking the difference of these two. Okay, fifth order difference, delta 5y, this is the difference of these two, minus 32 minus 40 minus 72, like this. Okay, we have here h equal to 1. Okay, equally spaced, 2 1 minus 0 1 2 minus 1 1. Here h is 1. X naught is initial value. This x naught is 0 here. Okay, they asked y dash of 0. It means initial value at x equal to x naught, like type that. So you have to remember here formula 192. Formula 192. So dy by ds x equal to x naught you have to write. Okay, first formula we get. Okay, from table you know that this is a y naught value. So y naught value not equal only delta y naught. This is delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, delta 4 y naught, delta fifth y naught. This is okay, like this. All are okay. We have written this by seeing the nature of this. You can written formula here. This is very easy to remember. Alternative sign use for starting 1 by h, delta y naught minus 1 by 2, next delta square y naught plus 1 by 3, delta cube y naught minus 1 by 4, delta fourth y naught plus 1 by 5, like this. Okay, next maybe minus, okay, 1 by 6 you get like this. If it is up to delta 5 y naught is a table containing these values, you can use this. Substitute all the values from table, whatever I have marked here. Delta y naught 4, delta square y naught 3, delta cube y naught. Substitute all these values here and simplify. Y dash at 0 you get. This is a dy by dx at x equal to x naught. It means x naught is 0 here. So y dash of 0 you get minus 27.9. Similarly, second order at x equal to x naught. So already formula I have given. Second formula 1 by h square delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by, so up to delta 5 you know I have given. Maximum this may be given like this. Substitute all the values here. Simplify, you get y double dash of 0 is 117.67 like this. This is the value of square at beginning of the table at x equal to x naught 0. Next you see this example to find f dash of 0.4 given data here. You see that maybe f double dash of 0 may be asked like this. You can use the second formula, third and fourth formula. Here third formula is useful. Here they asked to find out derivative at x equal to 0.4, end of the table. This lies end of the table, xn like this xn. This is x naught. Okay, you see construct the backward difference table. Constructing is similar way, only using operator. This is backward difference. Big end of the values lies at the end of the table are useful here. Okay, is the difference. Only use operator difference. So taking difference same, you see that these are arguments, these are entries. Taking difference of 1.22140 minus 1.10517 gives this 0.11623. This is the first order difference. Okay, similarly you find out, okay, this one. Next difference of these two, delta square y. So delta cube y difference of these two. Okay, this is here h is 0.2 minus 0.1 0.1 like this. All are equally spaced. H equal to 0.1. Xn here, xn is they asked at f dash at 0.4. So here xn is 0.4. Here formula third is useful. If they asked a second order, fourth is useful. Okay, only they asked one divided by x at x equal to xn. Write the formula 1 by h del yn del yn plus half into del square yn plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Next it may be 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 delta del 5 yn of like this. Substitute all the values here. Only 4 up to del 4 yn is there. So I have marked here. These are yn. This is yn. This is xn. This is yn. This is del yn. This is delta del square yn. This is del cube yn like this. It means this is okay, xn equal to, you have given name. Okay, substitute all the values here. You get f dash of 0.4. X equal to xn means divided by x at x equal to 0.4. F dash at 0.4. You get 1.4913. Okay, simplify. You see this example. Find f dash at 1.1 and f double dash of at 1.1 using table. Okay, these are different values, not initial x not equal to 1 like this, xn equal to 2.0, other values. 1.1 means the value lies beginning the table. You see that 1 point, after 1 you get beginning the table. If they ask like find out derivatives, first order derivative at 1.1, second order derivative at what 1.1, using some datas are given here. So here x naught is 1, you know this, x naught is 1, h is 0.2, difference of this 1.2 minus 1, 0.2, all are equally spaced. To find f dash at 1.1, it means divided by dx at x equal to 1.1. Here xr is this one, xr, different value, not x naught, not xn, other than this, xr is 1.1. xr can be written x naught plus rh. This implies that you substitute here 1.1, xr value is 1.1 equal to x naught is 1, substitute x naught value plus r into h value is 0.2. So from this r value you get 0.5 by interchanging 1.1 minus 1 divided by 0.2, 0.5 you get. So now you construct the forward difference table. These are arguments, these are entries. Okay, then you construct the forward difference, beginning of the table. This is, you can use forward difference table, delta y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta fourth, opposite way we can write. All the difference of these two you get 0.128 minus 0, 0.128, like this. You take all the difference here, you get all the values delta y values, first order differences, second order differences, difference of these two 0.416 minus 0.128. You take a second order differences you get. Similarly, third order differences, difference of these two 0.336 minus 0.288, like this. Next 0.384 minus 0.336 you get 0.048, like this. Okay, all are equal you get. So equal you get, the fourth order difference you get 0 clearly. Okay, use the formula 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay, dy by dx at x equal to x naught plus rh. Here I have given 1 by h delta y naught plus 2r minus 1 divided by 2 delta square y naught plus 3r square minus 6r plus 2 divided by 6 delta cube y naught plus. Okay, substitute all the values. Beginning I have marked here. This is delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, delta fourth is 0. Okay, not necessary to write up to this, you remember. So dy by dx at x naught plus rh means xr. Here xr is 1.1. So substitute all the values because the 1.1 lies beginning of the table. These are delta square value. These values are useful here. Substitute all the values and simplify, you get 0.63 the value. Similarly, second order derivatives formula number 5, sixth formula. You can use sixth formula 1 by h square delta square naught plus r minus 1 delta cube y naught. So others are not useful here. Okay, all higher order differences 0. You see that. Substitute all the values, you get 6.6. Okay, simplify, you get 6.6. Similarly, you see that these are different problems, similar type problems. Lies beginning of the table. Okay, h is 0.05. You get this. X naught is 1.0. So same formula. Formula 192. Using formula 192, you are find out all the values. So if they ask in the formula, I have given up to delta 5. I think if they ask delta 6, you are coming in similar way. You can write 1 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 like this. These are first one is very simple. The second one you have to remember up to 6. 137 by 180 I have written this here. Okay, delta 6 y naught. Okay, up to this may be asked like this. So simplifying we formula 192 by remembering this sixth. If for sixth order difference you get, can write a plus 1 after minus plus 137 by this. You remember, you have to remember. Without proof, we have proved this. I have given this. You have to remember the formula by writing. Do the writing practice. Get this. Okay. Substitute, you get this. This is an example to ask at 2 point end of the table. Similarly, if you get more values delta fourth, this is very simple. You can get substitute last xn plus rh. Yes, end of the table here. Xn plus rh formula. End of this values lies end of the table, near the end of the table. 2.03 means. Okay, formula 7 and 8 are useful. Formula 7 and 8. Okay, so you can write a formula 7 and 8. Substitute all the values. Xn plus rh here 2.03, that is xr is to 0. Xn you can write xn plus rh. So the values which are lies at the end of the table, these are useful here. This is yn, this is xn, this is del yn, del square yn, del cube yn, del fourth yn. Okay, substituting all the values with r value and h value. Okay, here you get d2 dy by dx at x equal to 2.03 is minus 0.4488. Similarly, eighth formula, you can use eighth formula. Okay, del fourth yn. Substitute all the values here. Get simplifying, we get this minus the value of d2 by dx to at x equal to 2.03 is minus 2.2917. Okay, with this you can do this much, you practice this much. Okay, with this ends the numerical differentiation chapter. Okay, with this all syllabus completed. Earlier I have sent all the videos. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you.